So here's another video coming to you from Edinburgh, Scotland. I just walked by a really interesting structure. And look at this. See what that says? It says Advocates Close. And these formations are actually set up, or they call them closes because this is when the buildings used to collapse on themselves, and they would close in on it. So then all these little pathways that go between the buildings, they call them closes. But the thing that I think is really interesting, which is why I wanted to play on the words, is advocates close, is that means there's an advocate close to you, and that's what I am. I think about myself as an advocate for the accounting profession, the CPAs all over the world for that matter. And I'm an advocate for CPAs because I believe that we have been lied to by our professional institutes to lull us to sleep into an oppressive business model. Most accountants are working ridiculous hours, stressing over, billing their clients, all their bills, and the tax changes. It's stressful. When you see an accountant who's about ready to retire, they're really stressed out. I mean, they're pretty well done. And I know there's a lot of people that are starting to leave the profession. And I think that's an absolute shame because I'm proud to be a CPA, and I know that you are too. But to work inside that model, it's just horrific. So for me, being an advocate for the profession is about changing the business model. Because the minute you can shift the business model, you can get your freedom back. And I call it that, the accountant success formula is the path to freedom. 3 freedoms, which is money, clients, and time. You deserve to make great money, you deserve to work with clients who appreciate you, and you deserve free time away from your accounting practice. Instead of working 14, 16, 18 hours, especially in tax season, it's just ridiculous. So think of me as your advocate. I am the advocate for CPAs. I want to help you get your freedoms back. That's the accountant success formula. And so, again, I just had to shoot another video here in Edinburgh, Scotland. And when I saw that Advocates Close, I went, oh, that's funny. There is an advocate close, really close to you. His name's Eric, and he cares. I actually do care, and I want to give you your freedom back. So if you're interested, reach out, let me know, because I'd love to have a conversation with you about the accountant success formula model. So I'm Eric Solback, and reminding you that when you take back control of your business model, you can take back control of your life. Stay tuned for more success tips to come.